I²C's RV-3028-C8 real-time clock module combines industry-leading size, current, and accuracy for wearables, healthcare, IoT, and other battery-powered or highly space-constrained applications that require extreme timekeeping accuracy. The RV-3028-C8 packages a dedicated CMOS RTC chip and an embedded micro-sized quartz crystal in a 2 by 1.2 by 0.6 mm ceramic package that weighs just 4.4 milligrams. The industry-leading 8-pin package is the same size as a 0805 resistor, providing space savings for compact designs. The small size is matched by the extremely low power and tight accuracy. The module consumes just 70 nanoamps at 3 volts, while also offering a factory-calibrated plus or minus 1 ppm timing accuracy at 25 degrees Celsius. The RV-3028-C8 has a programmable 32.768 kHz to 1 Hz clock output and an I²C interface to set timing and configuration parameters, which can be password protected. AEC Q200 qualified versions are available. Learn more at microcrystal.com.